I come from a company called Meiban Engineering, who manufactures a CNC turning and a sheet metal division. So coming to Hyderabad, this is my first experience, and HIMTEX, this gives a lot of exposure, which has both metal cutting as well as forming division. Like there are domestic giants like Ace Designers, LMW, to name a few for metal cutting, and there are some domestic players like Energy Machine for sheet metal and GMT Engineers. So this is a platform where you can witness both divisions, like in engineering as well as for the productivity for shop floor division. And of course, like any people who come from small scale or corporates, they have an experience to witness other accessories like compressor accessories or any other like pneumatic applications. So this overall, to be precise, there are 2 halls, and it's a like good exposure for everyone. So it's better like industrialists to visit this exhibition.